Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Ooh, hell! Ooh,
Yeah, people, she go on with herself, me not lie. Now, if you want to see some more of Shenseea performance, stick around because I got some more clips. Also, I got some clips from Nicki Minaj's son's first birthday party. And Koffee is releasing her first single of 2021. I got a little snippet of that also. And Shenseea herself have another song for drop too. So, just stick around, people. May have a lot coming up. So, Koffee is finally giving us a single for 2021. Yesterday, she posted on her IG stories. She posted a little snippet and me telling the people I like it. It's not even that long, but I can tell so this is a banger. So me go play it for you and take a listen to this. Here goes.
From the West Indies, and you know so we giving them the best indeed. Anywhere we there we do a flex on street, and the style what we do no matter red stampede. And no interview no bother question me, and you try never look in my direction, G.
So people wanna think me love it. It have the lockdown vibes and it's releasing tomorrow, October 7, right? So people, we are look forward to hear that. It's called West Indies, by the way. I know one can tell still, but just for, you know what I mean? If you not catch it. But people, let's talk about Nicki Minaj's son. Papa Bear turned 1 year old on September 30th, but it looked like Nicki just now posting. So Nicki posts some pictures and videos from his first birthday party, and people may have the clippings them for sure. No, so may I say everything is nice. So take a look at this. Here goes.
What? Who that cute boy? Is this your birthday party? And I want to can I come over to your birthday party, please? That's okay? You're standing. Ooh.
I want to, you always get his head to the camera. Always think about that.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Say yay! You cut your first piece of cake, pop up. Look, that's your cake. Look.
Ready?
Look, I want cake.
You know he ain't gonna jack that. You know he ain't going for that.
Okay.
You know.
Let me try. How would it taste?
Oh, it tastes. That shit is good.
Oh, hey, pretty girls. How are you? Go. How was it? Is it cold?
Yeah, man, so happy belated birthday to Papa Bear. Big him up every time you see me. I say, and big up Nicki Minaj. You know, her pride and joy that she love him bad, people. You see what I say? So, people, we are going to move on. We are talking about Shenseea again, right? So, like I said, Shenseea have a new song for drop. The song named Deserve It. From the other day, she did on live. She mentioned, say, her next single she a drop. It's produced by Murder Beats, right? And then we see she start giving little snippets of it, right? So, me I put it together and me I say the same song, Deserve It, produced by Murder Beats. But anyway, me have a little quick part me want to hear, so me I go play it. Then you can tell me what you think. down in the comment section, right? So take a listen to this. Deserve It by Shenseea. Here goes.
We're on a boat. Mom, show them. That does this. I think I deserve it. I think I deserve it. The way you walk and the way you.
Yes, so it was really quick, but at least we can get the idea of the song, right? We hear the beat, hear what it sounds like, and we hear a few little words of the song. It was more like the intro part is sound like. But when I want to think down in the comment section. But people, remember me saying of the rest of Shenseea performance. It's not the full performance though, but you know what I mean, some highlights. And the location where she pin, it's a Sacramento, California. So I don't know if that's the show there or that's what she did when she post it. You see what I say? But we are work with California. Out there so Shenseea look like she there from where there. But people, like I say, I have the clips them for sure now. So without any further ado, take a look. Here goes.
I wish I'd wear a different outfit because I really want to pop this pussy up on this stage. What? But I cannot. Y'all chickens know how I get down. But see, this is why I don't wear too much expensive outfits. Because I can't even move in this shit. So I'ma just let my mouth do the work. Champion as good man can them want see me feel but I can't got plan. But I'm in a hot coat like Danny Phantom. Hot glass and full of flavor. No mix with no chase. So me born a Jamaica. No pump me no afraid. And me clear for me here. But not with the paper. With shot together. It's me I take your man. Yes. Never been to me in a street and pass and wait for the friend. But if you are take your man, we are see. What? They want me to be in a street and pass and close my woman if I see you. Give me like a roll, please. I want it all. Some guy tie me up. Put your tongue in my ears. Spit in my mouth sometimes. Look in the mirror, say me fast, 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 fast. Way too fast, 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 fast.
Good job, baby girl.
So gorgeous. Yes, I'm fangirling. Look at me and Z said we was gonna fangirl. Yes.
Yeah, people, so that's it for today's show. You know what I mean? Give the video a like, give it a share. Please, that's what I say. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody want to big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.